Hello, my friends. We want to see which number is greater, 44 to the power of 55 or 55 to the power of 44. Instead of 44, I can write 4 multiplied by 11 to the power of 55. And instead of 55, similarly, I can write 5 multiplied by 11 to the power of 44. There is a general rule here that I call it rule number 1. If we have a multiplied by b to the power of m, this equals to a to power of m multiplied by b to the power of m. As per this rule, here we can write 4 to the power of 55 multiplied by 11 to the power of 55, and on the other side, similarly, we can write 5 to the power of 44 multiplied by 11 to the power of 44. Instead of 4 here, I can write, instead of 4 to the power of 55, I can write 4 to the power of 5 multiplied by 11. Multiplied by 11 to the power of 55. I can write 11 to the power of 55 is 11 plus 44. On the other side, 5 to the power of 44. Instead of 44, I can write 4 multiplied by 11. And I'm going to leave 11 to the power of 44 as it is. So the first term here, which is 4 to the power of 5 multiplied by 11, there's another rule here. I call it rule number 2. A to the power of b multiplied by c equals to a to the power of b in total to the power of c. Also, we have another equation here which says, I call it equation number 3. A to the power of b plus c equals to a to the power of b multiplied by a to the power of c. So here I'm going to use equation number 2. Here I'm going to use equation number 3. And here I'm going to use equation number 2. So as per equation number 2, here I will have 4 to the power of 5 in total to the power of 11. And here as per equation number 3, I will have 11 to the power of 11 multiplied by 11 to the power of 44. And on the other side, as per equation number 2, I will have 5 to the power of 4 and in total to the power of 11. And the last item, I'm going to have it with no change. Here, 4 to the power of 5, I'm going to write it on side. 4 to the power of 5. Instead of 4, I can write 2 to power of 2 in total to the power of 5. As per equation number 2, equation number 2, this equals to 2 to the power of 10, which is, I'm going to have 10 here, and 2 to power of 10 is 1024. And so here I will have 1024 to the power of 11 multiplied by. As you see here in this equation, I have two terms similar on two sides. Uh, Here I have 11 to the power of 45, and similarly here I have 11 to the power of 45. I can eliminate these two terms here. So what is left here is 11 to the power of 11, 11 to the power of 11, or 5 to the power of 4 is 5 to the power of 4 equals to, I can, as per equation number 2, I can write 5 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 equals to 25 to the power of 2, and we know that 25 multiplied by 25 equals to 625. So here it will be 625 to the power of 11. As per equation number 1, here I can write 1024 multiplied by 11 in total to the power of 11. And here I have 625 to the power of 11. Because both have the same power 11, I can deduct it. I can eliminate the power. So I will have 1024 multiplied by 11, and on the other side I have 625. And we all know that this term is bigger, so here I'm going to have this sign. So back into the main question, here 4 to the power of 55 is bigger than 55 to the power of 44. Thank you so much for watching this video.